I really do always find this impressive when I see these big mega yachts come blowing through Haulover Inlet on plane. There's not a whole lot of room between the no wake zone and the inlet, and for these boats to get up on plane this fast, they gotta be pushing some serious horsepower. Welcome back, guys. It is another episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down in Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I am your host, Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and let's get this started. Our first boat to step in the ring and do battle with Haulover Inlet this week is going to be a Deep Impact, and they've picked a little bit of a rough day to come back in through the inlet. They're going to have a pretty heavy following sea, and this can be some of the toughest conditions that people will face at Haulover, but this boat right here is pretty good size and has definitely got the horsepower to push its way through. They've picked their line and they've committed, and let's see how they handle Haulover as they come through. So far things look pretty good, and to be honest, it would take a lot more than this probably to take this Deep Impact down. These guys are going to have a pretty easy time with Haulover, and that's going to give this first round to the boats. But Haulover does look a little angry today, so let's stick with this day for our next clip and see how our coasties handle this one. Our next people to do battle with Haulover is going to be the U.S. Coast Guard, and they're going to be coming through with a little bit of an issue. They've already got a broken boat, as Haulover's already done damage to this thing. Here you're going to see the Coast Guard grab the door to try and close it. Well, that boat's just not having it, and Haulover's going to go ahead and give them a little bit of a licking for trying to come through today. We got a pretty good sea going on, but these safe boats with trips on the back really can handle just about anything, and as you can tell, there's water flowing off the back of this. It doesn't matter if they take water over the bow. This boat pretty much just flushes it right out the back anyway. I am, however, going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover. Typically, I would not do that on a Coast Guard vessel, but because the vessel's door was already broken, probably from damage with Haulover, we're going to give this one to Haulover as well. Maybe Wavy Boats and I should start a GoFundMe so we can see if we can get that door fixed for him. Our next boat's going to show us what it's like when we come through Haulover on a rough day, a little bit too slow. Right here you're going to see this vessel's coming in just not on plane, and they are going to take a smackdown from Haulover. This is probably one of those days they should have left this vessel at the sandbar, so I'm going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover, but this is an interesting boat to see. I haven't seen one of these old formulas come rolling through here in a long time. Our boater in the third round is going to take the exact opposite approach, and he's going to go ahead and show you what it's like when you come running through Haulover hard. Here we've got a CV with twin engines on the back, and they just have the throttle down, having a good time blasting through Haulover. These CVs really do seem to handle Haulover very well. They cut through the water awesome. Now we'll go ahead and give this round to the boats. I do notice he slows down here, which makes me think he was just showing off for the camera right there. Pretty impressive, bud. That's going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece, and let's see how this small boat handles some big seas as it comes through Haulover. Here we've got a pro line with a single Johnson 100 on the back, coming through Haulover on a pretty big day. Here they've got a kid in the bow of the boat, they've got a tube in the bow of the boat, and I'm curious to see how he's really going to approach it. He's obviously taking the overly cautious approach, which I hate seeing boaters do. Really, even this boat on this size probably should try and get just slightly up on plane, just a few miles an hour faster than he's going. What he's doing right here is he's risking stuffing that bow into a wave of a boat because he's not getting the bow up because he doesn't have enough power behind it. Right here, I can't really decide, guys. He's doing okay even though he's going slow. Till right about here, he's going to go ahead and stuff the bow in a moment, but I can't really decide how to call this one, so I'm going to let you guys let me know how you think this went. Did the boats win this round or Haulover win this round? Go ahead and light it up in the comment section below, and let's see who won. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other 2 channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage from Haulover Inlet, and my channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.